for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got the system. My favorite thing.
What's up, people? Welcome back again. It's your beautiful Ada here, and today, you guys, I am going to be walking you guys through how I prepare movie night for my kids and how I prep, everything. So I started off by mixing my puff puff mix and just getting that ready. I like having movie nights with my kids. I just like making memories and having, making them have fun and all. So you guys, and I always like doing it, like, I always like surprising them and doing things. So it's just like random, they don't expect it, and they just come back from school and it's movie night, and it's just the fun of it. So I am whipping that up like a chef because yeah, because this mama can cook. Okay, so I am now prepping the chicken wings. I'm going to be air frying that to make the work easier for me. Of course, just throw it in there and it will do the job. So this chicken wings that I'm making is the chili, what do I even call it again, the spicy chili chicken wings. That's the name I gave it. I don't even know, but that's the name I gave it, and they always love it. Whenever I make it, it's like their favorite thing. And this I got from Amazon. It is super super cute. I love it. I have everything definitely linked in my Amazon storefront. So if you click on the link in the description box, you're definitely going to get whatever. So yeah, everything I buy now, I just put them up there so you can see them. So look at that, it looks like a puzzle kind of thing. So the board is just so cute. And now I am setting up the drinks. Tell me why I'm just doing it. I feel like I'm just being so extra right now, but I don't care. So I am now setting up the drinks, just putting different drinks so everybody can just have something that they like. So some of them they like Sprite, some like Fanta, some juice. I just put random, different drinks, so they just choose whatever that they like. And I was so excited doing this thing. I just don't know why. Am I the only one that gets super super excited whenever they're doing something special for their kids? Like, I'm just always so excited. And this is the sauce I'll be using for the chicken wings. So I use the ketchup, I use the hot sauce, and I add a little bit of butter in there, and I'm going to mix, kind of like mix that, or you can microwave it for like 1 minute and then whip it up and pour them over your chicken and mix everything together, which is what I'm going to do right now. And of course, yeah, you see what I did. I just warmed it up in the microwave and everything mixed together, and pour it in there and mix everything very good. So that's what I did, and the chicken, oh, yum, came out so good.
Hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming.
So after the chicken, I set that apart, and then I went ahead to start making my puff puff. If you're not Nigerian on here, this is like a Nigerian snack. So I went ahead to start making that. I definitely love this. Listen, when it comes to puff puff and jollof rice, listen, I think I make the best. I'm not even arguing with anybody. Like, I make the best. Everybody knows. So we're not arguing about that. Just look at that puff puff. I mean, listen. Mm.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance. Have a good
And you guys, even though this took me, a little bit of time to do, just look at what I did. I think I did so good. Like, this came out so nice. My kids, listen, they were over the moon. They were so excited. I did good, okay? Like, they were so happy. Like, look at how did all that. I even made popcorn. I made the fruit thing. I put some cookies. I just put in a whole lot for them, and listen, they had fun. And then I put the little paper plates and all. They had fun.
Christmas in my heart. Joining us all, the feeling is here today.
And look at them, they are so happy. Like, you guys, they were so excited. And everybody, they had a whole lot to eat, and they just had fun. It looks like we ended up just staying here for a while, just eating and just talking and having fun. And then after that, we just headed to the living room to just have our movie night, and everybody just grabbed their popcorn, just went to the living room, and then they had our fun movie night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more of this, be sure to subscribe if you have not done that already. Click on that notification bell so you never miss any upload, and let me know any video ideas that you guys have, any type of content that you guys want to see more. Just let me know. I am definitely open to doing more, new things, new content, everything this year. And you guys, I promise to still be consistent and keep posting throughout this year. So I'm going to try. My goal is to get my channel to 10k subscribers. So please, please, please share my video, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please share, like, comment, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.